Check this out, it's done! Team Sticky. I know, that's kind of a really big keychain right there. If you're not familiar with the 3D printing world, there's this ongoing debate between using adhesive or adhesive plates or not using adhesive. There's these haters out there that look down on people that use adhesive. If you're not running a sticky plate, I like glue. Now, if you use hairspray, it's still sticky. I buy pants that fit me, but I still wear a belt for a little extra protection to make sure they don't fall down. And that's how I look at sticky plates. Give you a little extra protection so you don't waste the print. And there we go, right there. Team Sticky. Yes! Team Sticky Plate was designed by Darius at DariusWorld.com. Go check him out.